This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Luz Hermosa. This renovated impeccable and bright one-story house with pool on private canal lot won't last. Split floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, garage was converted into an extra room, office or family room. Kitchen has been remodeled completely with brand new wood cabinets and granite countertops. Stainless steel Appliances.New Vinyl plank floor in the bedrooms with California closets. Master bathroom renovated. Large storage. Accordion hurricane shutters and more. Enjoy the Bonaventure Town Center Amenities, tennis courts, pool, gym, and more. Great location near to Weston Town Center, best schools, restaurants, and shopping centers.and I-75. Please submit offer with rental application and minimum 680 credit score. For more information.